Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video, we're going to take a look at this Insignia 45W USB-C wall charger kit. We're going to unbox it and show you how it works. The reason why I got this charger is because I have a lot of blocks that have the USB-A on one side and the USB-C on the other side because it's very useful. So like my GoPro 13 or my Google Pixel 3 watch, they come with the cable, but they do not come with the block. So I got this one because of that reason. So here is the block. It has a USB-C input right here. And it's 45 watts, so it can fast charge all of those products. And as you can see, it kind of lays flat just like a block. And you can just take these out so you can plug it on the wall. The cable itself is 6 feet long. And if you look at it closely, it's very firm and strong. So let me get it out of this box. One thing I like about this box that it has minimal plastic is right here. The rest of it is cardboard, so you can go ahead and recycle this. Just in case you want more information, there's a QR code right here. There is also more information about it. Quick setup guide. It is also in Spanish. So here is the square. It doesn't take a lot of space. And without the plastic, this is what it looks like. Right here it says 45 watts, and you can actually use it for your phone, tablet, laptop. So it comes in handy. You can do this, so you can plug it in the wall, and when you're not using it, you could just put it away. And the cable itself, it's tough. It's rated 240 watts at 5 amps. And I do like that it has this cable management, so you can go ahead and use it, and perhaps if you want to put it away, you can just do this. And this is what the cable looks like closely. The cable has good speed, power, and performance. It has 1 year limited warranty. Input is 100 to 240 volts. Output 45 watts. And this is a must to travel with, or perhaps just throw it in your backpack or your suitcase or your purse, wherever it is. Take it with you anywhere. For example, I can plug this here. I have my Google Pixel 3 here, and this is a magnet, so it just goes in there. And on the other side, you could just go ahead and plug it in. Another example, I have the GoPro 13 Black right here. It comes with a cable, but that's about it. It's a short cable, so you plug it on this side, you open this up, and you could just plug it right in. So it has many uses. Now, if you want to use the GoPro's cable, you can do that, or you can go ahead and take that cable off. And if you want to use this cable, you can do so. So I like that, it's very helpful. So I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.